pretty sure there's a highway patrol dude up here. That sounds hella good. What's up, everybody? We're back in the Scat, and I got this bitch paid off finally. Let's get it. Now I gotta sell it and get something else. Look, another Scat.
That one was owned by an old guy. Man, it's gonna rain.
For real. We won't have this sunroof open no more. Oh god. Hell no. People hate being on camera so bad, bro. Well, it's funny as hell.
There's nothing they can do about it.
Yeah, it's public property.
Yep.
The public
right
roads.
To record anything your eyeballs can see.
I know. What the hell? This bit's not too fast, but like it's decent. That sounds hella good. You felt that?
Yeah.
I was all fishtailing and shit. That was an accident. Don't do that shit, guys.
You hear the little twin birds in it?
Yeah.
Sounds like little twin birds at least.
Yeah, that's like the best way to describe it.
Yeah.
Sounds like little Tweety birds. I've never heard somebody say it like that though. Man, this bad boy, see how this shit sound. You gotta go slow and then like fucking you stomp on it. Like that. Then you can hear it. You can hear the exhaust. I love it. Yeah. I think we got everything done.
Yeah, I think so.
Chilling. Now we can go back, fucking get some fucking smokage on.
Yeah. There's my caddy.
Yeah. The caddy, the Jimmy, and the Scatty.
Yes, sir. I like that little car. I'm glad I bought that too.
Fuck yeah, dude. I'd buy a Cadillac. No, I just didn't want to go too hard because that shit started popping off. I'm pretty sure there's a highway patrol dude up here. Crazy a little bit.
Like 130, 140.
I'm gaining up there. I've started to gain a little bit of weight, but it's just always been hard for me to gain weight.
Same here. It's just you gotta eat higher calories and higher protein food. So you gotta look at the calories, look how high people drink citric shit because it breaks down that shit in their kidneys.
Jumping in this bitch.
Look at this hellcat right here. This is it. It has a hellcat symbol on the side. Shit's fake as hell, bro. Cutting up today. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. Get them the hell out of here. Stinger. Are them Stingers fast? The Kia Stingers? You guys know if they're fast? Comment it down below. I need to know. I can just search it up, but what's the fun in that shit? What's the fun in that shit? You guys can just comment that shit and then I'll know, you know what I mean? Alright, y'all gotta listen to this shit. If this Hyundai would get out of my way. Get that bread down. The fuck? Woo! Yeah. Where'd that bread go? See you later, bread. That shit flew out the window, bruh. Nah, it's gone now. It's gone now. Oh, shit. All the bread flew out the window. Nah, this is wild, bro. Oh my god, bro. I tried to catch that shit, bro. Somebody gonna find a $20 bill. They're gonna be so happy. They're gonna be like, bro, one of them homeless people just walking past, find the 20 on the ground. Man, they're gonna be so happy. I swear to God. What the hell? In the middle of the goddamn street.
Mom said that she knows when you drive risky, she just doesn't say anything to me. And I was like, oh, it's because he's a good driver. For sure.
I'm a decent driver, brother.
Decent.
I just know what the fuck I'm doing.
That's what I'm saying.
Other people don't know what the fuck they be doing. I love the way this bitch sounds though. I'm about to post this bitch for sale tonight, bruh.
Deadass, bro?
Yeah, it's gonna be gone.